Nowadays, we are very much acquainted with the term BLDC. So what is BLDC? BL refers to brushless and DC refers to direct current. So this term refers to an electric motor that runs on DC, that is direct current electricity, and uses an electronic controller instead of the traditional technology. So in this way, this technology maintains high efficiency with low maintenance. So let's check out some BLDC fans. So you can see I have already bought few BLDC fans which are available in different colors. You can choose any of your choice. Like I have chosen few of them. You can see over here. So out of these, I'm going to unbox one. So here is one box. You can see this is the down rod. Very important. Then next, I have this part, that is the canopy. Let me take it out. This is the canopy. Not coming out easily. Yeah, this is the canopy. What's the next? This is very interesting part, which is of course based on this modern technology, the remote controller, and with the batteries available. You can see. Let's check out what's next. Yes, these are the shackles, which are very important to fix the fan. What's the next? Yes, this. Yes, of course, this is another pack of the shackles. This part. This is the electric motor which I was talking about, based on and runs on DC, the direct current. And what about this? Very important again. This is the very important part. These are the blades of the fan. So, because of these modern advantages, this modern technology is being used in household appliances like we have just seen in case of ceiling fans. Other than that, they are being used in other appliances as well, such as air conditioners, kitchen chimneys, or electric vehicles.